But anyway, come on guys, we're going to have an amazing night today. We have our lovely DJ with the great music, also our Bistro, and also the wine that you guys are going to be tasting today. So before we hold up Iskati, let's get straight into tasting our first wine that we're going to be tasting today, which is Red Sweet Red Shiraz. Can I please have that with me on stage so I can show to the people what they're going to. Red wine, it's good for your blood circulation, it's good for your heart, not only for a great time, but also it's good for a good taste to communicate. And Jongoba Harvest Harmony came up with this name, it's to bring the calmness and the calmness when you are drinking the wine so you can have a great time. So if you want to have a glass of it, you can have a glass of it at the back, but let's taste it and then what do you think about it? Taste okay, we have a lovely lady over there. Maybe please have a glass passed to her.
I don't know. There's so many mixtures there, and there's so many grapes and all the other stuff.
Oh, she picked up the secret ingredient.
Oh